So I'm going to show you the way I like to multiply mixed numbers. So this way involves a lot of simplifying, and I think it's one of the better ways to do it if you're not using a calculator. So the first thing I like to do is I want to reduce my fractions to their simplest terms. Okay, so I don't convert into an improper fraction first. I like to just reduce my fractions to their simplest terms, okay? Both of them. So for this problem here, that's already done as 2/3 as the simplest terms. You can't factor anything out. Same thing with 3/8. That's the simplest terms, okay? So after the fractions are their simplest terms, then I will convert into an improper fraction. And in order to do that, you multiply your whole number by your denominator, then you add your numerator. So this would be 4 times 3 equals 12, plus 2 is 14, right? So I got 14 over 3 multiplied by, I got 3 is my whole number, multiplied by my denominator, 8 gives me 24, plus 3, 27, right? So 27 over 8. And as I already reduced my pairs, here, these are their simplest terms, right? As you can reduce this further, so you're not going to be able to reduce the pairs further down here. As 14 and 3, you can't take anything out of that, simplest terms. Alright, 14 and 3 don't have any common multiples other than 1. Same thing with 27 and 8, right? So, like I said, the first thing you want to look at your fraction pairs, if they're at their simplest terms. Next thing you want to do is look at the cross product. So, meaning 14 and 8 and 3 and 27, alright? So looking at 14 and 8, I can reduce these two, right? I can factor out 2. So I'm going to divide 14 by 2. So 14 divided by 2 gives me 7. And of course I got to do the same thing to the 8. 8 divided by 2 gives me 4. Okay? And now looking at 3 and 27. Alright. So 3 can fit into 27. So I'm going to divide 27 by 3. 27 divided by 3 gives me 9. I'm going to divide 3 by 3. Of course, got to do the same thing, right? Which gives me 1. Now this fraction is my lowest terms. As you can see, my math is a whole lot easier now. I'm now working with giant numbers. So I'm going to multiply 7 by 9. Gives me 63. And then 1 times 4 gives me 4. Now you're done here, or you can convert into a mixed number. Okay. In order to do that, how many times does 4 fit into 63? I know 4 times 15 gives me 60, right? So 15 times 4 gives me 60. Then I have a remainder of 3. And then my denominator remains unchanged. Alright, let's try one more example. Alright. Oops, sorry about the screen. So I got 3 and 4/8 times 6 and 3/9, right? So the first thing, as I said, you want to simplify, right? And I can simplify these two. So 4/8 is the same as 1/2, so this is 3 and 1/2 times 6 and 3/9, the same as 1/3, right? Times 6 and 1/3. Okay. These are both simplified at their lowest terms. So now I'm going to convert into an improper fraction. 3 times 2, 6, plus 1 is 7. So I got 7 over 2 times, alright, 6 times 3, 18 plus 1, 19 over 3. Alright, these are simplified. I can't simplify across. 7 over 3. Lowest term, same thing was 2 over 19. Nothing I could factor out, right? So I just got to do the math now. So 7 times 10, 70. 7 times 9, 63. Add those two together, and I get 133. So 7 times 19 is 133. 2 times 3 is 6. Now I just convert into a mixed number. So how many times does 6 go into 133? Let's see. So 6 times 22 gives me 132. So 6 times 22 gives me 132. Then I have remainder of 1. My denominator 6 remains unchanged. And now that's how you multiply mixed numbers. Like I said, first step, before you convert into a mixed number, or sorry, into an improper fraction, I like to reduce my fractions if I can, simplify them, okay? After I've simplified my fractions, I'll convert into an improper fraction. As you see here, after I get an improper fraction, if I can, I'll try to use the cross products to reduce, and then if I can't do that and they're already at their simplest terms, then I'll just multiply across and convert into a mixed number. Alright, and then hopefully this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.